How to delete or remove a contact from WhatsApp. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in this video we will learn how we can delete or remove a contact from WhatsApp. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, you have to open up WhatsApp in your device. Now to view all of your WhatsApp contact, tap on this new chat or plus icon from the chat piece at the bottom right corner. So these are all of your contacts on your WhatsApp. From here, scroll through it and search for the contact that you want to delete or remove. You have to tap on it. Tap on the eye icon here. Then tap on the three dot icon at the top right. Head over to edit. Again tap on the three dot icon at the top right. Then tap on delete contact. Again tap on delete. And with that, now the contact is deleted. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.